Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the LinkedIn Premium free trial. You can do that by clicking on your profile picture and then click on Try Premium for $0. Then click on the selection that you want to choose. So for my personal goals, learn professional skills, then do next. Then what is the most important for you to developing your skills? Get personalized career guidance. Let's do next. And then right here, you have a lot of things that you can do. You can do it for your business, but you can also do it for your career, what you want. Click on try 1 month free. Select the type or the billing cycle that you want to use. And then you can click on try 1 month free. After this, you need to fill in your pay details. I don't want to do this, but if you want to do this, click then on this and you will receive the LinkedIn Premium trial. But keep in mind, after the 1 month, you need to cancel this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.